Welcome to 15-minute beginner morning yoga. This is a short and easy yoga practice to help you start the day calm, balanced and relaxed, ready to face any stressful situation that the day may bring. We will begin with some gentle movements to wake up and stretch the body and finish with a short guided breath meditation. When you are ready, let's get started in a comfortable seated position on your mat. You can sit on a block or blanket to make this position more comfortable, because the body is usually quite stiff in the morning and it can be quite hard to sit up straight in this pose. Once you found comfortable position, place your hands on your knees with palms facing up. Close your eyes for a moment. Notice how your body feels this morning. Notice if there are parts of your body that feel tight. Maybe your neck, shoulders, back or hips are craving movement. Breathe deeply in and out through the nose, deepening the breath. Big inhale through the nose. Long exhale through the nose. Gently open your eyes, drop your chin down and make one big circle with your head to the right. Slow movement. And then one circle to the other side. Bring your head back to center, lift your chin. A few big circles with your shoulders, just to warm them up a little bit. Switch direction. Release your shoulders. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, stretch through the sides of your body. Exhale, release the arms down. One more like this. Inhale, big stretch. Exhale, release. Place your right hand on the mat next to your right thigh. With inhale, reach your left arm forward and up. Open the chest to the ceiling. With exhale, circle the arm back and down. Big movement from the shoulder. Inhale, arm forward and up. Opening the chest. Exhale, arm back and down. One more circle. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to center and switch side. Left arm on the mat. Inhale, right arm forward and up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, reach the arm up. Open the chest up to the ceiling. Feel the stretch. Exhale, roll the shoulder and arm back. One last round. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your body back to center and come to your hands and knees in tabletop position. You can keep your blanket under the knees if you need some extra padding for the knees. Position your hands shoulder width apart, knees under your hips. With inhale, drop the belly, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round the spine, bring chin to chest. Inhale, stretch the back. Exhale, round the back. 3 more cat and cow stretches. Continue to move with your breath, as slow or as fast as you need to. And then come back to a neutral spine. Keep your hips over your knees as you walk your hands forward into a puppy pose. Lower your chest down to the ground as close as you can. Maybe you can also lower down your forehead or chin. Breathe in deeply through your nose, expanding the ribs. With exhale, try to melt your chest even more down to the mat. And then slowly walk your fingers back. Sit back on your heels for child's pose. Keep your hands far forward so that the elbows stay off the mat. And you feel a stretch in your arms, shoulders, upper back, maybe lower back. And imagine sending the breath into these areas that feel tight to deepen the stretch even more. Now lift your body up, back to tabletop position. Bring your right knee closer to your chest, move it to the side and back, making circles with your leg to warm up the hip joint. Then switch direction. Lower down your right knee, same on the other side. A few big circles with your left leg. And then switch direction, a few more circles. Lower down your left knee. Step your left foot forward to your left hand, knee over the ankle. Inhale and lift your body up in low lunge. Raise your arms up. Exhale, try to sink deeper into the hips so that you feel the stretch on the right side, on the quads, hip flexors. You can keep your arms up or place your hands on the knee for better balance. A few deep breaths here. Keep sinking lower into the hips. Inhale to reach your arms up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Right hand stays on the mat. Reach your left arm up and twist to the left, opening the chest more to the ceiling. Feeling a nice and gentle stretch. Keep breathing. And lower down the left hand. Step the left foot back and bring the right foot forward for lunge. Remember, knee is on top of the ankle. Inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale to sink deeper into the hips. Arms stay up or on your thigh. Inhale to reach your arms up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Left hand stays on the mat. Lift your right arm up. Twist to the right, look up to your right hand. One more big inhale here. And exhale, hand down to the mat. Step your foot back. Come up to standing with your feet around hip distance apart. Bend your legs one by one just to stretch them out a bit. Then bend your knees a bit more so that your belly comes into contact with your thighs. Lower down your head. Hug your elbows and let your spine, your head relax. You can rock side to side if you like, or back and forward to relax your back a little bit more. Just a few more breaths here. Release your arms. For Malasana, the yoga squat, you can move your feet a little wider, toes pointing out. Bend your knees and sit into deep squat. Bring your hands into the prayer position and open your knees wider with your elbows. Keep lifting the chest and trying to bring your thumbs closer to your chest. You can always modify this pose by placing the blanket under your heels if they don't touch the floor, or try sitting on the block for more support. One more inhale here. And exhale, release the pose. Come to a seated position where you will be comfortable to sit for 3-minute meditation. You can use your block or blanket again. When you settle into a comfortable position, allow your eyes to close. Notice how your body feels now, if you feel any changes compared to when we started the practice. Maybe some parts of the body feel more open. Take a few long, slow, deep breaths. Breathing in fully through your nose. And exhaling fully through your nose. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils as you inhale. How it travels down to your lungs, expands your belly. And as you exhale, the belly contracts and warm air is moving up through the lungs and out through the nostrils. If you get distracted by the sounds in the room, simply notice them and then bring your attention back to your breath. Remember, the breath is always with you as a refocusing tool you can use during the day to bring yourself back to the present moment when you get distracted by some thoughts. As this practice comes to an end, slowly allow your attention to come back to the room. Notice any sounds. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and put a big smile on your face.
Thank you for practicing with me today. Let me know in the comments how you feel after this short yoga session. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more yoga videos. I wish you a nice day. See you next time. Bye!